Saturday morning stroll down. Oh God, I can't remember what strip we're on now. I think we're on to the north. Anyway, just a Saturday stroll. Everybody's out. What? What? Oh, I had a nice wide footpath there. Inside 7-Eleven, a few of those around. Not as many as in Japan though. Typical Chinese intersection. Crossing at the lights is definitely safer, but not always totally safe.
It's working well at the moment, isn't it?
Yes, because you have to watch out, because they're like America in that sense that they can turn right at traffic lights when they're red. So if you're walking across, you can suddenly find a taxi or a car or people push bikes suddenly mowing you down as you think it's safe to step off the thing. Here we go. So it's always a good idea just to keep an eye, and bikes, e-bikes and motorbikes sort of run pretty free rein. They use the pedestrian crossings quite a lot. So you can be walking across a pedestrian crossing, or you can be walking across a crowded pedestrian crossing and there's a motorbike coming towards you also on the crossing. Has happened to us a few times. But from that point of view, traffic hasn't changed in Beijing since we were last here. And that was 12.5 years ago. And everybody's bikes plus the higher ones. It is Saturday, so it is quite crowded anyway. More so than the other days we've been walking around. Saturday and Sunday are always busy. It's in every city, I suppose, because the workers have their days off. Yes, they're probably Chinese tourists from other parts of the country. A lot of them. We just don't know. Or the locals out for the day. And this is the bell tower, which is the end of the Beijing Central Access, or sort of, but looking from the north, because we've come in sort of behind it, I suppose you'd say. And nice little area, all the hutongs around. And that's the bell tower. And big park, and at the other end is the drum tower.
元一大串，宋元五小串。
What we got to eat near Tourist? Tough meat on sticks or sugary snacks.
They're sitting at tables. Peeking it up. It might be a bit flash, look.
thought we might get away from, the witch.
不够，给我朋友拿点三。
老北京大肚，老北京红锅涮肉，半夜京酿啤酒，3楼观景台，开普楼全景，欢迎大家光临。本店有老北京炸酱面、红烧牛肉面、老北京豆汁、南京豆饼、老北京。
This is a supermarket, this is the can't see over the bottles. Oh, it says convenience store.
这都是的，我们家。
So they're all packed here, aren't they?
I 我拿着眼夹。没事儿没事儿，你们带着别动了。
I'm assuming it's just
Not too much.
trying to get into a subway station. Is that the subway? Where's the subway station? Is that the subway station? Oh no. It's here. Can you remember what I said? Yinghai and Jinyu Hutong. Beijing Metro. Which way the train's coming? Hey?
That's where we're going?
No, we're going to. No, we're going in that direction. We're going to Jinyu Hutong. 2, 1, 2, 3. Where's it coming from? Hear it. It says watch your your hand in the doorway. Oh, there. Well, it's like the London Metro, isn't it?
I suppose we should have not got on. Not got on.
This is what happens on a Saturday. It's so crowded, people. We only just squeezed on, but it is literally. Yeah. They obviously don't push you in here, but very crowded. Wangfujing Mall, which is their pedestrian street or whatever they call it, which is their thing for basically their upmarket shopping mall. And there's a snake for the year of the snake, although it looks more like a dragon to me. I suppose it's meant to be a snake, but it looks like a dragon to me.
The dragon comes from the snake.
See it all. There it is, there. Beijing food mall. You usually get good, cheap food. Quarter the price of Australia. And the thing is, we've got to find out how to get out. Not that way. We're already in the basement. I can see at least 2 more layers go. Oh god, that was a mistake. And then the department store on the other side of it. Very confusing this place, but we found what we wanted. Beijing Wangfujing, if that's how you pronounce it, Catholic Cathedral, is it? In my head. Archdiocese of Beijing, apparently.